actually started making this video back in the springtime. It's almost August now. We're just a few days away from August. So it's been a while in the making. It's been sort of a long time coming, but today we are finally doing an unboxing for Palava. Hi everyone, I'm Leandra. Welcome back. So as I mentioned, this started in the springtime. I don't even know, actually I do remember. There is this wonderful little shop called Modern Millie. They are based in Massachusetts, Salem, Massachusetts. And I like to shop there occasionally. They kind of remind me of the way that these vintage shops used to be. They usually carry like really high quality stuff. It's brick and mortar, but they also do online sales. And this shop in particular, Modern Millie, they are just absolutely brilliant at taking pieces from the shop and putting together these really interesting, incredible outfits. And I wouldn't say that they're busy, but they're outfits where like there's a lot going on and yet it just works. It just all goes together really well. Like they're really genius at it. As I was browsing back in the springtime, I saw this amazing dress in this green pea print and noticed that the brand was Palava, and then saw a couple of tops, I think, as well, and just really, really loved them. They didn't have everything in my size. It was already sold out by that point. So I bought a few pieces from Modern Millie, and then I just went to Palava's website and bought the dress. And I think actually I didn't buy it. I actually asked if it could be my Mother's Day gift. So that was a gift for me that year. And when I got the pieces, I was just really impressed with the quality of all of them. Not just the quality, but with the packaging, with the spirit behind the company. So let's start there and talk a little bit about that. Palava is a UK-based company, and anything that they can have manufactured in the UK, they do. They try to source everything as locally as possible. They do these amazing bold prints. They use natural fabrics, so no polyester blends, no synthetics, no plastics, just natural fibers with these amazing, beautiful prints. This company has such heart that I really am happy to support them. The price tag is a little high, but I feel like when you have a brand that is working so hard to make everything locally sourced, sustainable, not like all the things, checking all those boxes, you can expect to pay a little bit more for it because the quality that you're going to get is going to be a better quality. This was today's purchase that just came in the mail. Things to point out is that this is very minimally packaged and this is biodegradable. I love the fact that they've printed their packaging and they've done this stitch along the top, which is really cute. But then the bags that it comes in actually are also biodegradable. So on a previous purchases, I saved all of my bags and I took them out to my compost heap and put the bags in so that they can break down. I love it. And even those bags themselves have these really great prints on them, like, kind of their mission statement and stuff on there. I really love this company. Like they pay attention to the details. I haven't really done an unboxing like this before where I've sort of split it up over the course of several months. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to put this video together. I'm wondering if we should just start with what I have today and maybe work backwards. Maybe that seems best. Let's do that. So for today's purchase, I bought a strawberry cardigan and a navy skirt with a vegetable print. Let's start with the cardigan because I am very excited about this. So interesting thing about this is that I got the dress for Mother's Day, and then I think I bought the tops for myself just like later on, like maybe a month later, I bought the tops for myself. And the skirt, tops and the skirt. And then I took pictures, outfit photos, and I tagged Palava in my outfit photos, and I won. They have like a little contest. So I won 50 pounds to use at their store. And I was going through and shopping, and I picked out these two things. And I was only gonna get one of them, but I was sort of trying to make up my mind, and I put my phone down, I put it face down, and it hit the checkout button. Because I was already on the checkout page looking. I was like, with 50 pounds off, how much would this cost me? And it went ahead and checked all the way out. So that's fine. They're both beautiful. I'm excited to have them both, but it wasn't intentional, but I'm happy. It was a happy accident. So this is the sweater. I got it in my normal extra small size, which is, I believe, the smallest that they offer. And there is, on all of their stuff, there's this little card which kind of tells you where all of the ingredients for this sweater came from. It is an organic knit. The colors are really pretty. The print is so beautiful. I love that they've done this alternating color on the buttons. Just another really nice detail. And it looks like it's going to be the right size just from holding it up. But we're going to do a try on here in a minute. The second thing that I got is this navy skirt, and I believe this feels like linen. I believe this is linen in this vegetable print, which is really, really pretty. And it has pockets, and I think that's one of their sort of commitments is like women should be able to carry things. So they try to put pockets on as many things as possible, which is great. I love pockets. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and do the try on for these two pieces, and we'll do a couple of outfits. And then from there, I'll just move through the other things that I've purchased and we'll talk about them. How great is this skirt? I'm not a teacher, but if I were, school's coming up, I would definitely make this a back to school outfit. So there's so many colors in this skirt. This is what I love about a print. A really good print has all these colors in it that you can pull from and create so many different outfits with one piece. I have a lot of printed pieces for that very reason, because they're versatile. And so for this one, I just pulled the red and blue. It's summertime. I think that's like my go-to in summertime, are these really bright colors. But I pulled from those colors to pull this together, and I just went in my closet and thought, this will look nice and this will look nice, and put it on. I think it looks great. I really love the way that these colors look with the skirt. It has a good combination of more muted neutral hues with some bright colors, so you could kind of do either. I think it works in a lot of ways. Has pockets, of course. One thing to mention about these skirts is that they do have this elastic back. So this is actually, I would say that the fit on this, and it's the end of the day, so I've had a few meals, so maybe it just feels a little bit snug because I had lunch recently. But I would say the fit on this is actually a little bit snug because it's meant to be worn on the narrowest part of your waist, which is where I wear my skirts. It looked like maybe the product photos I saw, it was maybe a little bit lower. And if you wear your stuff that low, that's fine. I don't, because I think that just wearing it up high accentuates this part and makes that more vintage silhouette, and that's what I go for. But this is snug enough that it can be worn up here, or because of that elastic, we can go down a bit, wear it a little bit lower. I wouldn't, that's not my style, but you could, you definitely could. Before I change completely, I'm gonna mix these two prints. You know, I mentioned that on Palava they do it in their product photos, but Modern Millie does it, and I mix prints. I love to mix prints, but I usually mix a simple print with a bold print. And Modern Millie makes bold prints with bold prints, and they always look good. So I'm mixing two bold prints today. And I think I'm probably gonna love it. Yeah, I love this. I actually really love this with the strawberries and the vegetables. I really love this. This is cute. The colors are very, we're all basically in the same palette here. It's red and blue. I don't know. You can tell me in the comments, and be nice. But I really like this. I think it's really cute together. Okay, second outfit. I just changed the skirt. I think I like the print with the two prints together a little bit better. But this is more basic and casual, and essentially whenever you make it a little bit more plain like this. So first of all, I have the details still with the scallops and the red. But it becomes, the cardigan basically becomes the focus, like the fun, interesting piece. Whereas when I mix the prints together, like the whole outfit has something going on. But this is a little more toned down, and probably more likely that I would wear something like this as opposed to the two prints. I live in a very casual part of the country, so I get stared at enough just for like walking out my front door. But I don't know, I like this. I think this sweater is actually really, it's playful, it's fun, and it's cotton and it feels nice. Like I like this sweater, which probably means I'm gonna buy another one because I had my eye on another one. But this is kind of more toned down. let's talk about the other things that I purchased. And I'll do like the little try-on video maybe at the side. This is the cake top. It feels more like a sateen cotton. It's very soft. It's kind of got a little bit of a shine to it. I have worn this 2 or 3 times probably in the last couple of months, mostly to work. I do have to have a top under it because it's got the little tie in the front. But it's really, really lovely. I do adore this print. I think it feels very nice. They do recommend that you wear layers underneath your clothes so that you can avoid having to wash them as often. That tends to keep the garment nice. This is the Peas print top. Same deal, has the tie in the front. This is more of a linen fabric. The print's gorgeous. The fabric feels very nice. Sometimes linen can be very heavy and doesn't breathe. And I feel like that is whenever it's got some kind of synthetic blend. This is very breathable. It's very nice. I've also worn this a couple of times to work and I really love it. I really love the style. This is my pickles skirt that I got. This is the idea that I got from Modern Millie, where I put the peas top with the pickles skirt because I think it works. I think it's really cute and really interesting, but I think it just works together. And I loved it. And I just like Modern Millie gives me so many good ideas. I wish I could work for them. I wish, not even as an influencer, I wish that I lived in Salem so I could just work at their store with them and help them come up with outfit ideas. I love them. This is the Peas dress. This is my Mother's Day gift. I have worn this so much. And every single time I do, somebody stops me and compliments me on this dress. The shirt dress style is reminiscent of vintage style to me. And it's just extremely flattering, but it's also classy in a way that is great for work, but great for social outings and stuff. It's just appropriate for so many things. And everybody loves this print. I usually have paired this with a yellow cardigan. The green and yellow together just really play off each other. And like I said, I always have somebody stop me and compliment me. This one, they did not have in my size, but I loved this print with the sea monster so much that I decided to buy the closest to my size and I'm gonna alter it myself, which I haven't done yet because it's hot and I haven't felt like it. But this print is absolutely adorable. And I felt like if I didn't buy it and try to alter it, I would regret it because I loved the print so much. And again, it's got longer sleeves, so I haven't worn it yet because it's been really hot. This will be a fall, winter thing as well, I think, because I'm just gonna need to wait till it cools off a bit, but I really adore this dress. So, here's this one. I really can't wait to wear this. I think I'm going to pair it this autumn with like a rust brown sweater and a sort of purple and burgundy scarf. I have ideas. I do like that they come with the matching belts. I will say that I do not have a lot of natural talents, but I can lose a belt. It's not something that people are looking for really in an employee. I've never put it on a resume. It's also not something people are looking for in a friend. But if I have a natural talent, I can lose belts. And I don't know how, but I'm gifted in that way. So I love that it comes with a belt. I always have a backup plan for what I will do if and when I lose the belt. Interesting thing about this dress, I feel like, so let me just stop what I'm doing and roll this down. Okay, this is the way you get the dress with the long sleeves and the high collar. So this is buttoned all the way up. I think if you make this small change of just rolling those sleeves up to the elbow, and they do have the cuff that is the same as the rest of the dress, so you can roll it up. And then just opening up 2 buttons or so. And another good thing about this fabric is that it lays flat. And I just fold down the collar and open this neckline up a bit. I think it actually more vintage vibes. Like you can wear it the other way and I'm sure it'll look fine. For me, I think that this looks a little bit more vintage and this is how I would style it. Also, this dress is 2 sizes bigger than I would normally have purchased, but it's not terrible. I mean, really, I'm just probably gonna take it in underneath just a bit and leave the rest. So if you do need to make an alteration, I'll tell you right now, this is something I look at when I'm purchasing a dress is, like if it's too big and I'm gonna have to alter it, is how easy is it gonna be for me to alter it? And that's why I went ahead and bought this, because I knew I can just fold it here and fold it here, and it'll alter just fine. I also think it just doesn't look too bad a little bit loose. I think it actually looks fine, looks very casual. But this print is adorable, and it was worth it to me. I had to have the print. Love the pockets. Dress is very comfortable. I love the dress. I think it's gonna be great for work or for going out. I absolutely adore this dress. Final thoughts on Palava. If you are somebody who is committed to sustainable, who's committed to organic, local, small businesses, all of those worthwhile causes, Palava is, in my opinion, a shop that you should support. It's a brand that you would want to get behind. The price point is higher than you are obviously going to pay for fast fashion. And I understand that for many people, a higher price point means that you can't afford much, if any. But I would also say that when you get pieces that are this nice of a quality, they're going to last you for a really long time. What that also means is that if you find them thrifted, it should be worth it. Provided that they've been taken care of, you should be able to find them at a reduced price. But if you can invest in a brand like this, definitely do. I really think they honestly care. I think that they are honestly trying to not just talk the talk, but walk the walk. There have been some other brands in the past that I've reviewed, and they said all the right things, but when you really, and I don't think at the time that I was reviewing them I knew it, it came from having a customer relationship with them for a number of years, that over time I kind of was like, you say that you're committed to sustainability and all of this, but you use 100% synthetic fabrics, you use, you're having them produced in a country that's famous for human rights violations and things like that. And I'm like, I think you're just talking the talk. I don't think you're actually walking the walk. But I think that Palava means what they say. I think that they genuinely are trying to make high quality, locally produced, sustainable clothing. And I have been very, very happy with everything I've purchased from them. So if that's something that's near and dear to your heart, I support this brand. I think that they are a wonderful choice. And just for clothing in general, I do think the quality is great. The prints are amazing. The fit is really good. So I am super happy with everything that I've tried on. I'm so happy that I could share them with you. I'm not sponsored in any way, by the way. I probably should have said this at the beginning. I'm not sponsored in any way. I'm not affiliated with them. I did win the little $50 prize, but that's available to anybody, I think, on Instagram who tags them. You can win a chance. So not being sponsored, but genuinely just do think it is a really great brand. Thank you for joining me today for this video. I am sorry that it took me so long to put it together, but I am so happy that I could share this with you, and I will see you in the next one.